Hey guys, I am back in Topanga with my friend David Hamilton at his hillside garden, and guess who I brought along today? I brought Eric because we have precisely 90 minutes to prepare these 6 raised beds for planting. We're not going to plant today, but we're going to get them ready, so stay tuned. Kona coffee from Hawaii. Delicious, thank you.
You're welcome.
What a treat, huh?
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
The first thing we're gonna do is unload David's SUV. He went to Malibu Feed Barn yesterday and got, at my suggestion, alfalfa and Dr. Earth potting soil. I got the azomite and his truck is loaded. So that's the first step, is to get that up there. All right, Eric.
Okay. Number 1.
Yeah, you go that way.
Me next.
David? Okay. Can we get by here? They're all flattened out. Smells like alfalfa.
Yep.
Oh, I remember those days. And we got a couple of bags of biodynamic compost.
Yeah, oh, that's right, we got that
This
too.
is boost. I can't even hold it. It's so heavy. It's wet.
Just put it together.
Oh, that's separate.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's over there next to the,
I just want to see if I can do this.
okay.
That's smart of you to put cardboard in here.
Yeah. Here, it's stuck at the bottom.
Wait, I lost it. How heavy is that, you think?
I think it's 70
70 pounds?
pounds.
Okay, we'll just leave it there for now, right?
Okay.
Okay. 28?
28 pounds.
Okay, that's the chicken manure.
Chicken manure.
All right, that's it, right? I think that's all we got.
That's it.
Yeah.
We have everything.
Okay. Okay, so the azomite I ordered from Amazon. Is it open? And it's 44 pounds. We're not going to run out of that. Can you manage? Oh, it's heavy. Okay. Careful. Time to get to work.
Number 1.
The first thing we have to determine is whether or not we have to turn over the soil. It would be great if we can just start sandwiching. This is the scientific way I am going to determine this. See how far this shoves down into the earth. And David, you probably want to watch this. Okay, that goes down 8 inches. So I don't think we need to turn anything over.
Good.
Should we test some of the other beds, or
Yes,
do you think
they should be all the same, but let's test them all.
Tell them what you did with the worms.
Yeah, so I put in 2,500 worms, and because worms are really the best thing you can ever put in the garden.
Right.
And I sent away for them, and I got them, and I do that every year. And they're red
Yeah.
wrigglers, and they're ravenously hungry, and they process amazing amounts of soil into worm castings, which are, you know, black gold.
Right, but your soil was depleted of nutrients because it hasn't been used in 4 years. However, your gardener put in a lot of compost, and so there's uncomposted material that they had to eat right away.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, they did.
Okay, and today we're going to give them a whole bunch more alfalfa.
I know, they're going to love it.
Bad number 2. Hey, David,
Yep.
look.
By the way, Kay, I keep things like, if I find a rock, oftentimes I leave it in because predatory insects and other things can go hide under it.
David was just saying that he does not take every rock out of the garden because predatory insects can go under there and find shelter. And that's a very good point. So we have determined from 4 beds that the soil does not need to be tilled or turned over. But one of the challenges that we have is that the way that the irrigation is set up, it's tied on both ends. So unlike at my house where we just lift it all up, we get everything prepped and then we lay it back down on top, we're gonna have to work around it. Okay, David, I think there's more soil here and less soil here.
And really nice over here.
And this one's a little high and this one's really low.
Yeah.
So I think, Eric, grab your shovel.
So Kay, this is an inexpensive little plastic narrow wheelbarrow with that I use so it fits in these narrow aisles.
Okay, great. Let's fill it up with some of this dirt and move it over there.
Great. Go, Eric.
And you don't care about these little sprouts, do you?
No.
Okay.
Kay, you want a shovel?
You have a short one? Yep.
So Kay, this is probably the most productive bed historically, and you can see how it's just sucked up the earth. And that bed is lower than the others because of it. This is my tomato, basil, and all the other companion planted flower bed. What do you think? Look at that soil.
It's fantastic.
It's really, I had no idea it was going to be this good.
That's great.
You know, but I'd rather have too much than too little.
I can buy a couple bags off of you.
No, you know, I want
We
to
can
keep
trade.
it. I'm
One more over there.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah, this is a problem. You got a line that's not connected.
Did it break off, or is it just wasn't connected?
Well, it looks like there's 3 that aren't connected, so we got to fix that before you run the irrigation.
Okay. Or we could just close off that distributor.
What are you just doing it, dumping it like that? Oh, like this. Oh yeah, that's easy.
Plenty over here. We're taking about the top 4 inches off. It's fine.
Okay.
I can't believe how dark and friable it looks like Mississippi River soil.
Well, it must make you very proud.
You know what I think about composting in soil.
Yeah, I could use one over here and one in the middle.
Yeah, it's too full over there.
Yeah, look.
Make it good level.
Yeah, let's take this whole side of it. You want to get over on that side? I'll get on this one.
2 more?
Yeah,
Yes,
why
please.
not? I'm sorry.
That's fine. Take it this.
Yeah, his, yeah. So Kate, this bed over here has always been a strawberry bed, and Janet and Lily and I would come out in the mornings and just stand here and just eat strawberries. These rich, beautiful, delicious strawberries, and you would eat maybe 7 of them, and that was breakfast. You were full.
But you know, I think you've taken as much as you should take out of that one.
Yeah, I
don't you?
think you're right.
Yeah. Let me just smooth this one. Even it out.
One day.
Yeah, you're so right.
So these are the 2 biggest beds. We've got number 1 done. Smoothing this one out a little bit more.
No. Yeah, what is this?
Baby.
Oh, what is it? Oh, oak tree.
Oh,
Oak tree.
here's the baby.
Oh, fantastic. I'll plant this.
Take a bump.
And we've got these old California oaks around here. That's the seedling sprout, that's the root.
Cool.
Yeah,
I saw those, but I didn't know what they were.
yeah.
There's a couple over here, but they haven't sprouted. My keys are on the floor, right inside the door. It's gonna get buried. We should do it now. Eric is cutting off some screws that were sticking out. They're a bit of a hazard, so.
Okay.
Oh wait, here it is.
Can you see it?
Okay, good.
Okay. Okay, so Eric is putting in these screws because these were used before and they were jutting out, which is a hazard in the garden. This is mine. I want to take that with me. Okay, so we don't have that much time left. So we are going to take one bed, take it through the entire sandwich layering process, and then come back later and do the rest. But we wanted to show you what our intention is in terms of building and preparing these beds for planting. Half of that here, half of that here. We're just going to level out the soil by using the earth that we purchased, and next step is the azomite.
You know, there's not too much perlite in this. I like this stuff.
Yeah. We need a little over here.
You know what? Shells are perfect for little animals to climb on. That's why I always Azomite is basically fine crushed rock that is loaded with minerals. Adding azomite is a good thing. That's great.
That's good.
Okay, we're going to do that for every bed or more.
don't leave it.
Now it's time for alfalfa. Where is our, yeah. We're gonna put a fine layer of alfalfa here, and then we're gonna put Dr. Earth on top, and another layer of alfalfa.
Great.
Very quickly.
All right.
We're each gonna grab a flake. I think it's called a flake, a section of alfalfa.
I like this.
Start down there and work this way, and I'll work towards you. And David,
I'll
did
come
you
out.
get one?
Oh, do you think it's going to take 3? Yeah, let me get one.
Because this is like pure nitrogen, you know?
Yep. Tell us about nitrogen.
Well, plants won't grow without nitrogen, and when you haven't grown anything for a while in a garden, the soil needs nitrogen. And I just thought this would be a quick way to get it. And rains are coming, we hope, so it will get rained in, and we have to just make sure that we can lift up the road. Okay, here is the biodynamic compost, and I just want you to look at the quality of this stuff. Look at that. Black gold.
Wow, look at that.
It's black gold. It's basically what you've got. It's just sifted and sorted and
Yeah.
okay, lift it up. A little bit of hay. Let's just top dress it with a little bit.
Okay.
Grab that flake over there, David. Sorry. Eric, can you take the azomite down? And,
Oh, that flake over there. You know, and now that I've got this process down, I can do the same thing for the rest of the beds between now and when I see you next.
okay, the final thing is the chicken manure, and I wanted to do that next to last, but I forgot, so we're going to do it now.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Ooh, this is a bit.
Looks really great. Just going to sprinkle it all over. How many bags did it keep?
2.
Okay, let's do a half bag.
And you know, since this manure is going to be rained in and will drop down,
Yeah.
we can use a fair amount of it because it won't burn. It'll be plenty of time before we get it in for the roots.
But
Where
this
is
is
the black beans?
composted.
Oh, just leave it there, Eric.
Leave it.
Yeah, just leave it right there. I'll take it up. Oh, it's composted anyway.
It's supposed to be. Read the
Soil amendment adds organic, loosens heavy soils.
We got a bit of urgency here because it looks like it's going to come a rain shower, and we finished this just in time. Eric is just putting the bags of potting soil on the beds to save David a little bit of work.
Thank you.
Come up here, David. And so he claims that he is going to do all of the rest of this by himself. We shall see.
I will.
Over time. Well, he lives here, so
Yeah.
you can do it whenever you feel like it.
Yeah.
But thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Be sure and like the video. Please share this series and help get these videos seen. And we look forward to seeing you in the next installment of David's Hillside Garden Makeover. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.